How to set app lock in Mitrade. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you're using Mitrade and want to add an extra layer of security when opening the app, first of all, open up the Mitrade application on your device and sign in. Once you're logged into Mitrade, go ahead and tap on the Hub button at the bottom right corner, and inside the Hub menu, select Settings. Under Settings, tap on Security. Under Security, tap on App Lock. Now on the next page, tap on the App Lock timeout and select the time interval. Select how soon you want the app to automatically lock, and now tap on Set Auto Lock Timeout. You'll then be able to set up Auto Lock or App Lock in Mitrade. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.